Hello friends, welcome back to Sita's Budgeting Journey. My name is Maria and I'm so happy you guys are here. In today's video, we're going to keep it simple, guys. We are going to stuff our self-care binder and just chat a little bit. I want to see how you're all doing. Alrighty guys, if this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. As I stated, we're going to keep this video a little simple. We're just going to be cash stuffing actually, you know what? I said it was my self-care binder, and that's what I'm leaning towards because I am working hard on getting my debt paid off without increasing it anymore. And once that's done, then this money here will go towards some type of self-care or just to buy myself something. And if I have to split it between debt and self-care, then that's what I'll do. But I am trying to, prioritize self-care because I get sidetracked. I start doing for others and truly forget to do special things for myself. So we have a few dollars here. This is a biggie, guys. Don't let the cute little bows fool you. I believe it's going to save us around $400. So I'm excited to finish this one. This here challenge is from my girl Maria. She's got it, guys. She is the sweetest person. She's got my little niece and nephews. You guys got to check them out. Make sure you click the link that I'm going to put in the description. Show her some love. Check out her Etsy shop. I believe she has a Ko-Fi as well, but 100% she does have an Etsy shop. So make sure you show her some love and let her know I sent you. All right, so we've got $20, $30, $45, $50, $55, $60. I didn't know I had $60 here. As you can see, I did not do my September challenges today. I'm gonna wait till Yenzi updates hers so we can kind of keep them on track. So I might do a very short video later on. If not tomorrow, you'll see me, cash stuff for those. By the way, I did correct that mistake I made. I forgot to put the $3 in for the Sunday roll, and then the $1 was actually supposed to be for yesterday. Alrighty, so let's get going. I need my die. Here we go. And of course, I need the cards. Will Maria ever come on here prepared? I tell you. Give me 1 second. Let me go get my cards. Okay, here we go. Now these here are the ones that are completed. I believe, I'm pretty sure. Yes, these are the ones that are completed. So I'm going to put them there. And these are the ones that we're going to be working on today. Let me just do this. I'm just going, you know what? I don't need to die because I'm just going to pick until I see that I'm running low on funds. So let's pick the first one. Okay, we've got Love for Bow 7. So this one's all the way back here. 7 is $10. Okay, starting strong. $10 right here. So how are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing well. We haven't chatted in a while. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys are doing, how you're feeling. I do have 2 updates. Number 1, yesterday I went and got my mammogram done. Ladies, do not forget. I believe it's at the age of 40, unless you have a higher risk, in your family, or just you yourself have a higher risk. I think you're supposed to start earlier, but make sure you get the mammograms done yearly. It's very important. I was kind of nervous to go, but that's always me. I always get nervous, and it was all of 5 minutes. So thank God I got that out the way. Now I just wait for my doctor to send me the results. And God willing, everything's going to be okay. I'm claiming that for myself and for all of you. Alrighty, guys. And another thing that, oh, by the way, this is $10. Another 10. Remember I went last Wednesday to get my, I'm put these 2 back, get a 20, to get my real ID and to renew my driver's license. Well, guess what? On Saturday, it was in the mail. They told me it could take up to 2 weeks, but the lady who took my picture said, listen, we always tell people 2 weeks, but you should have it within a week. I had it within, 3 days? So that was exciting. Anybody out there who needs to get it, of course, you don't want to procrastinate and wait till the last minute. But, all right, bow number 3, we're going to add $5. But, get it done. Get it done sooner than later. I'm glad I went when I went. It was about an hour wait. It wasn't bad. I know I've had family members who have gone and they're like, man, I stood in line for 3 hours. So, and my poor neighbor, she went and got hers done, and she had to go back like 3-4 times because they wanted this, they wanted that, the marriage certificate, divorce, a bunch of stuff. But that's because I believe her name was still hyphenated, and she had since remarried, so she had to order death certificate, she had to order a marriage license, divorce certificate, she had to have all this stuff. I thought I was going to be going through, similar things because I'm, previously married, but thank God that was not the case for me. All right, this pretty one is a 10. Lordy. It's another 10. Okay. So are you guys saving for self-care? And if so, what are you doing? Are you doing a savings challenge? Or are you just putting a certain amount of money away for yourself? I used to do self-care. I had a whole binder for self-care, and I stopped using it. Once I'm done with this challenge, I might bring it back. I want to keep changing things. Another 10. Look. Ay, ay, ay. All right, we got another 10. I definitely want to make sure that I prioritize self-care because, again, we are good for taking care of others. And when it comes to us, it's like, why not? At least I can, that's how I am. All right, these are building up nicely. The good thing is we've got 5s left. So the next time we stuff this binder, hopefully it won't be as bad. All right, let's see what bow number 8 is. This is number 7. And this one is $5. Yikes, do I go again? I think I have $15 left. I'm scared if I go again, I might end up with an IOU, and y'all already know I don't like IOUs. Let's see, we've got $10. Let me see this last. You know what? We're not going to chance it, guys. We've got this last. This is like the catch-all challenge. We are going to put the $10 here, and that way I do not have to worry. I'm sorry. Let me just do this so we can see it. We don't have to worry about an IOU. By the way, I paused because after my appointment yesterday, I picked up Azalea, and she is here, but she was sleeping. So I left the kids downstairs, and I asked them just to keep an eye on her. They're homeschooling now. So I said, let me go upstairs and do what I need to do real quick. And if she wakes up, let me know. But I thought I heard her crying, but it wasn't her. We're having some construction done outside, and that noise, they've been out there since 7 o'clock today. This is the first day that they started super early. The first day they were scheduled out there, they really didn't start till 11. Yesterday they started closer to 8, but today 7 o'clock. I was like, whoa, and it was loud too. So, alrighty guys, that is it. I know this video is shorter than what most of my videos have been lately, but I just wanted to get on here, stuff this binder, because I put the money in the binders and then I forget. So what I do is once I figure out my bills and cash stuff, my wallet, whatever money I have left over, I end up putting it in the side slot of my binders, and then I stuff it throughout the, I end up stuffing them throughout the week, but sometimes I forget, and I didn't want to forget to stuff this one because it is important to prioritize self-care. And again, ladies, please make sure that you schedule your appointments, not only for your mammograms, just schedule your appointments, period. Your physicals, blood work. Make sure you visit the dentist, which is my next appointment I need to schedule. And, get your eyes checked. We've got to take care of ourselves, especially when we have so many people dependent on us. Alrighty, guys, y'all all take care. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and we will be chatting soon.